Hey y'all, I'm Kit and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. Today we're going to be doing an at-home 10-minute full body workout. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So this video is for all levels, and if at any moment you need to get some water or pause the video, please do so. Let's begin with the modified push-up. We're going to do 5 of these. Let's go ahead. We're on our knees. Stay strong, and we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Coming back up, we take it into tabletop position. Now we're going to be doing 10 toes pointed, feet up, kicking up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We switch it up to the other side. Remember that toe is pointed. We go 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, we're going to now take it to a modified push-up. If you want to do normal push-ups, please do so, right? We take it down 1, 2, adjusting if you need to, and last one, 5. Great job. Now we're going to take it and do fire hydrants, right? So we take it back to tabletop position, make sure those abs are engaged, and we go 1, 3, 4, 5, staying in control, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to take it to the other side. Okay, remember staying strong in your base, core is engaged. We take it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Now 5 more push-ups, okay? I know your arms are probably already burning just like mine, and that is a good thing. Now, palms are wide, fingers are spread. We take it down. Let's go. 4, and 1 more. Let's do it. You can do this. And 5. Beautiful. From here, we're going to go back. We're going to take it to donkey kicks. This time, foot is flexed, right? So let's take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Take it over to the other side. You're doing great, okay? 1, foot is flexed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. We're going to take it down into Balasana. We're going to rest for just a few minutes, 10 seconds. And then after that, we're going to do 5 more push-ups, okay? So if you want to go wide leg, or you want to have your legs together, please do so. Resting and coming back up. Great job. Now we're going to do another modified push-up, 5 more, okay? Let's go ahead and let's prepare. Remember, core is engaged, arms are out. Let's take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job. Okay, these are amazing for preparing for chaturanga, so that's always good. Okay, great. So from here, we're going to flip over onto our back, and we're going to do some bridges. Okay, right? So we flip over. Ooh, I'm toasty. Okay, great. So from here, we're going to do bridges. Right, so let's go ahead. We prepare our base. Your hands can either be down by your side or your hands can be clasped together, making sure that those heels are close to the buttocks. We're gonna go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Really holding here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping down. Great job. From here, we're gonna go ahead, put those feet up into the air. Our feet are flexed, okay? So from here, we're gonna have our hands up, but we're gonna take it up, right? So working on those abs. We're gonna, 1, 3. Dropping back down, remember heels close to the buttocks, taking whichever hand variation that you want, right? Okay, let's do 10 more bridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Going back, right? We're gonna have those heels up in the air. Remember, at any time, if you need to get water, take a break, pause the video, please do so. Let's go ahead, let's get back into it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go. One more round, you guys, right? So taking whichever hand variation, and whoo, let's go ahead and take a breath. We inhale, taking it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Holding here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping down with control, making sure we're feeling good. Toes come back up. And our feet are flexed. Take it up into the air, hands up, and we pulse up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoo, slowly coming back down. From here, let's take just a few breaths. Whew, if you want to drop down those knees, just really collecting the breath. Want to go at a good pace, but again, not too fast. Whew. Great job. From here, we're going to flip over, and we are going to do something that I really enjoy. It is sometimes a little difficult, and that's perfectly fine. We're going to be doing planks, right? So the way that we'll do these planks is we'll start up top, making sure that those glutes are engaged. And then after 20 seconds, while we're here, we'll drop back down to our forearms. We clasp the hands, and then making sure that we're still in alignment, right? So we're gonna do a round of that, then we'll rest, right? So we'll do 20 holding up, and then 20 on the forearms, and then we'll rest. And then we'll do 2 more sets, okay? So let's go ahead and let's prepare. Taking those feet back, making sure that the pelvis is tucked under. We're staying strong, and let's begin. Staying in control of your breath. Breathing. Staying strong, dropping down to the forearms with control, clasping those hands, making sure we're in alignment, and the 20 seconds starts now. Finding your happy place, staying strong in those abdominals. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop down those knees. Whoo, drop down to your chest. How you feeling? Woo, dang. Oh man, I had a hard workout yesterday, so this is feeling fierce. Okay, cool. Awesome, so let's take it back up to plank position. If you're having any like wrist pain or anything like that, we can shake out our wrist. Adjust your leggings. And let's go ahead and hit it again. Let's go, y'all. Okay, taking it back up. Remember, we're here for 20 seconds, staying strong throughout the whole thing. Okay, and let's go. breathing. We've got 10 seconds more. You can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping down to those forearms. Staying strong, focusing, and let's go. 17. 10. We got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, my body is shaking. Okay. Oh, how was that? That was intense. Okay, we got one more round. Let's take a breather here. Like I mentioned earlier, if you need water, please get water. We can always pause the video and come back to it, okay? Beautiful, okay. Whew. If you want, take some inhales in here with me. We're gonna breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Preparing the body, let's do that one more time. We inhale and exhale. Awesome. Okay, let's go. One more round, you guys. You ready? Hands out wide, and let's start this. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping down to those forearms. If you want to take it down to your knees, you can do so. And let's take it. Let's go, y'all. 20 seconds. You can do this. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, dropping down nice and slow. If you want to just go ahead, drop down your head. Maybe move the hips side to side. Find your breath. Awesome. You guys, that was great, right? It's not like we did anything with weights. This is a great thing to wake up to or end your day with if you're feeling like, oh, I need to do a little something more. So I hope that you enjoyed this 10-minute at-home full body workout. If you're like me, my abs are definitely feeling it. I hope that you enjoyed today's workout. And thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Here we do everything from yoga, the yogi lifestyle, product reviews, just stuff involving fitness and yoga. And it's a really good time. And I really enjoy my community, and I'm so thankful for you all. So have a fantastic morning, afternoon, or night, wherever you are in the world. Spread joy, spread love, and I'll see you next time. Peace.